much like the personal page here. So you can create different categories on this side. So I've got personal here, then I've got a business section down here where I'm putting like my Notion template. This is one of them that's in the course one, and it's just a simple page where people just come in, and then if you wanted to so empty page with ideas, lists, calendars, all that type of stuff that we can add. Looking for something different, so we could add in a to-do list. Now we could make headings, you can add tables, bulleted lists, numbered lists, a toggle list, you can add dividers, so all that kind of stuff that we can put inside these pages. First page, come in and upload, like you can make a copy of your header and put that in here, and every time you come in to do a new one, they will just populate here, and then you can pick whichever. You'll be able to see how many commissions that you made that month.